Hey, thanks for checking out the Big Split for Houdini. Let's get to it. Okay, let me show you the main way to use the Big Split. So we got a bunch of these files with a certain file naming convention that we would like to import and split up. Let's drop in a Big Split. Okay, let's go down to directory scan import. If that's not there, just use this little button. With this, we can search for the explicit file pattern that we would like. Let's go to the folder. Let's use the low-res versions for now. And since we know that it's just going to go up sequentially, let's just take this number right there, change it to a star, and that will mean it will look for file paths that are matching everything in front of the star and then and back. If we want to import all the low res and high res, we could just take out that and then put .fbx, and it'll import both the low res and high res. Or if we just want to import all the fbx files in this project, we can literally just go and set it up like this: hip geo star.fbx or bgeo, obj, or whatever kind of geometry file you're trying to import. Okay, let's set that back to where we wanted it. So let's set the number to import, set it to 28, scan and load files, and now we have 28 files imported into Houdini. Look at that. Look at that big blob of radishes. Okay, so now that we have them all imported, let's create a material node, hook it up to the second output, which will show us a single piece. And now set up our material real quick. Okay, now we have a nice little radish ready to go. Click on the Big Split, take your material, add it to the material template that way, or you can use a little op picker. We can use one of these functions up here. So first, let's try split geo here. Look at that. Now we have 28 object level geometry. And it is inside the same parent node as the Big Split was set. And now you can see each one is explicitly a radish with the material template we set. Everything is named out just in case you need to reference them, and they're all wired to a switch. Okay, the next button is split geo to the object level. All you have to do is click it, and as you can see down here, it split them all up to their own little object level geometry with the whole material template and whatnot. And with that, you can reference them with a physics painter. Let's set this up right quick. Plug that into the physics painter. With the physics painter, you can open up dynamic and select all of the object level geometry, except pattern. Okay, with all this loaded, we can get the physics painter and attempt to paint some radishes or whatever you split up. Oh man. Whatever you split up should work. Yeah. Pretty quick and dirty, but There you go. Now we have some physics painted objects using the Big Split. And last but not least, we have inside the Big Split, split geo to subnet. And as the name says, it will split them all up into a subnet and do the same thing to a switch or to MOPS. And that is the Big Split. Thanks for checking it out. Good luck.